Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about area of parallelogram. Students, most of you people are fond of sweets, isn't it? So what are the sweets? Say some names of sweets like laddu, kalakan, jangri, jalebi. Oh, these are all yes. And laddu is in the shape of a spear. Kalakan, it may be sometimes square types, rectangle types. Yes, isn't it? So, what is parallelogram? Which feet is in the shape of a parallelogram? Kaju barfi. This Kaju barfi. This is the shape of Kaju barfi, isn't it? This is the shape of Kaju barfi. So, Kaju barfi is in the shape of parallelogram. See, in this parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So, today in this class, we will go to learn how we will find area of parallelogram. Okay, today in this class we will learn about how to find the area of parallelogram. Okay, children, we want to prove area of parallelogram is equal to area of rectangle. Our first step is we need to draw a parallelogram figure with vertices A, B, C, D. Okay, with vertices A, B, C, D, and from point A we can draw a line that is perpendicular to base CD. So this is the line that is perpendicular to base CD. Up to here clear? And here ADE, it forms a right angle triangle. Okay, right angle triangle. Now children, see here, listen carefully. From point C we can extend a line, okay, and name as F. And from B also we can draw a vertical line that is perpendicular to base DF. Okay, this is the line perpendicular to base DF, and here these two are in the form of right angle triangle. If I close this figure, that means the right angle triangle, if I close this right angle triangle, then the remaining part is in the shape of rectangle, isn't it? See here, the remaining part is in the shape of rectangle. Suppose if I am erasing this line, I am removing this line. See, it is clearly, it is in the form of rectangle. What's the A, B, E, F? Yes, it is in the form of rectangle. So what we did, we draw a parallelogram and we draw a vertical line that is perpendicular to base CD. Yes, from C we have extended a line F, and from point B we draw a vertical line that is perpendicular to base DF. Suppose if I closed this figure, then the remaining part is in the shape of rectangle, isn't it? So from parallelogram, from figure parallelogram, it forms a rectangle. So that means area of parallelogram is equal to area of rectangle. Yes, so we already know that area of rectangle formula is length into breadth. Yes, length into breadth. See, this is the rectangle and this is the parallelogram. Okay, this is the rectangle. So see here, this one is known as length and this is breadth. Okay, for rectangle this is the length and this one is the breadth. So coming to parallelogram, this length is known as base and this breadth is known as height. Okay, length is known as base and this breadth is known as height. So that means area of parallelogram is equal to, so area of parallelogram is base into height. Okay, up to here clear? Base into height. So what's the formula of area of rectangle? Length into breadth. This is the length and this is the breadth. This one is the length and this line is the breadth in rectangle. In the same way for parallelogram, this line is known as base. That means length is equal to base and this one is known as height. Breadth is equal to height. So area of parallelogram is base into height. What's the area of parallelogram? Base into height, and area of rectangle is length into breadth. Okay. The problem on area of parallelogram. So given that base is 3 centimeters, height is 4 centimeters, we need to find area of parallelogram. So this is the base 3 centimeters and this is the height 4 centimeters. We have to find area of parallelogram. So what is the formula for area of parallelogram? formula for area of parallelogram is base into height. Okay, b into h, that is base into height. So what's the given base? 3. And what's the height? 4. 3 into 4 is 12 square centimeters. So area of parallelogram is 12 square centimeters. Okay. And next one is given base is 10 centimeters and height is 20 centimeters. Okay, we have to find area of parallelogram. So what is the base here? 10 centimeters. And what is height? 20 centimeters. So area of parallelogram is base into height. What is base? 10 and height is 20. So 10 into 2 is 200 square centimeters. So area of parallelogram is 200 square centimeters. So this is the method we need to solve for area of parallelogram. Okay. Next topic is area of triangles. So up to now we discussed about 4 sides of a triangle. Yes, square, rectangle and parallelogram. And here triangle, it contains 3 sides. Yes, 3 sides, 3 vertices, 3 angles. Okay, so this is the form of triangle. We need to find the area of this triangle. Okay, so to find area of a triangle, we need to draw a parallelogram figure. Parallelogram. This is the parallelogram with vertices A, B, C, D, and from D we can draw a diagonal line. Okay, from D we can draw a diagonal line towards B. And now see here, it forms 2 triangles, triangle ABD and triangle CBD. This is the one triangle, triangle ABD, and this one is the another triangle, that is triangle CBD. Okay, now we need to find the area of triangle formula. So we already know that area of parallelogram. What is area of parallelogram? Area of parallelogram is b into h, that is base into height. So we have to find area of triangle. Okay, we need to find this one. So children, see here, area of, so there are how many triangles? 2 triangles. Okay, area of each triangle is equal to, area of each triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into area of parallelogram. Why we took this 1 by 2 here? This is your doubt, isn't it? Yes or no? Why? Because see, this is the parallelogram and here we draw a diagonal. Okay, diagonal. From this diagonal we got 2 triangles, isn't it? We got how many triangles? We got 2 triangles. Yes, triangle ABD and triangle CBD. Up to here clear? So we need to find the area of every triangle from this figure. So there are how many triangles? 2 triangles. So in denominator we write 2. We need to find the area of every triangle. So see here, area of triangle ABD. Area of triangle ABD. So this is the one triangle from this parallelogram. How many triangles are there totally? 2 triangles. And we take as only one triangle. Yes, we are finding only area of one triangle here. First step is we need to find the area of one triangle. So we will write numerator as 1. 1 by 2 into, we already know the area of parallelogram formula. What is area of parallelogram? Base into h. Yes. So area of triangle ABD is half into BH. And next one is area of triangle CBD. From this you can say the next triangle area. What's the triangle area? Next one is 1 by 2 into base h. Up to here clear? So from totally we can say that area of triangle is equal to half BH. Area of triangle is half BH. Okay. So what is the formula for area of triangle? Area of triangle is, formula for area of triangle is half into B into H. And here B is base and H is height. Okay. H is height. See here, this is the right angle triangle Okay, this is the right angle triangle. From this we can say easily this one is the base and this is the height. Okay, and if this is an equilateral or scalene triangle, then this is known as base. And where is height? Which one is known as height? From here, from this point, we can draw a line that is perpendicular to base, and here this line is known as height. This length is known as height. So what's the formula for this? Is half into base into height. Suppose the question is like this. See, the given question is base is equal to 2 centimeters and height is equal to 5 centimeters. Find area of triangle. Find area of triangle. What we will do at this time? See here, as I said that this is the base for right angle triangle and this one is the height for right angle triangle. Okay, so what's the given question? The base, this one is the base is 2 centimeters. Okay, triangle ABC, base is 2 centimeters and the given height, this one is the height is 5 centimeters. We need to find area of triangle. So what's the formula for area of triangle? Is half into BH, base into height. So what is the base here? 2. And what's the height? 5. And 2 into gets cancelled. So area of triangle is 5 square centimeters. For this figure, if the triangle is in the form of if the triangle is scalene or isosceles triangle, see here, the given base is this one, base is 2 centimeters and height. From this we can draw a line that is perpendicular to base. This is known as height and in question the height is 5 centimeters. So what's the area of triangle is half into base into height. Okay, now half into what's the base here? 2 and what's the height? 5. 2 gets cancelled, so answer is 5 square centimeters. Up to here clear, students? So this is the method to solve the area of triangles form. Okay. Okay, now let's start problems on area of parallelogram and triangles. Okay, this is the question that is based on parallelogram. Given question is find height x if the area of parallelogram is 24 square centimeters and base is 4 centimeters. We have to find height of a parallelogram. Okay, given that base is 4 centimeters and area of this figure is 24 square centimeters. Okay, now first draw a diagram, parallelogram. This is the parallelogram. In here the base is 4 centimeters. We need to find height of this, say as x. Okay, now area of parallelogram is 24 square centimeters. See here, the first step is area of parallelogram. Given that is 24 square centimeters. Okay, we already know that area of parallelogram formula. What is the area of parallelogram formula? Base into height. Yes, base into height is equal to 24 square centimeters. Okay, and here base, given that is base is 4 centimeters. So right here 4 into, we need to find height as x. Okay, 4 into x is equal to 24. So cancel, 4 6 are 24, where x is equal to 6 centimeters, 6 square centimeters. So what's the height of this parallelogram? Height of this parallelogram is 6 square centimeters. Is it clear? What's the given question? We need to find the height of the parallelogram and the base of the parallelogram is 4 centimeters and the area of parallelogram is 24 centimeters. From this we need to find height of this parallelogram. So given that area of parallelogram is 24 square centimeters, we know that area of parallelogram formula is base into height. Yes, the base into height is equal to 24 square centimeters. What's the given basis value is 4. So 4 into x is equal to 24 and cancel 4 6 24 where x is equal to 6 square centimeters. So height of this parallelogram is 6 square centimeters. Up to here clear? Problem on triangle. Find BC if area of triangle is 34 square centimeters and height is 3 centimeters. So given that height AD, so this is the triangle. Okay, at first this is the triangle. Given that height AD is 3 centimeters and also given area of triangle is 36 square centimeters. Area of triangle is 36 square centimeters. We need to find base BC. Say as x. Okay, we need to find the base BC and say as x. Now children, see here, what's the given question is? First step is given that area of triangle ABC is equal to 36 square centimeters. Okay, we already know that area of triangle formula. What's the area of triangle formula? Half into base into height. Okay, this is equal to 36 square centimeters. And here height AD is equal to 3 centimeters. We have to find base BC. Say as x. Okay. Now substitute these values in the above formula. Half into what is base? Base is x and what is height? 3 centimeters. That is equal to 36 square centimeters. Cancel. 3 ones, 3 twos. Okay. Now x by 2 is equal to 12 square centimeters. Now see here, this the denominator 2, we need to transpose, shift this 2 to right side, and this division will be become as multiplication. If we transport division to right side, then it will be become as multiplication. See here, x is equal to 12 into 2. 12 to 24 square centimeters. That is height, base of this parallelogram is 24 centimeters. What's the given question? Given that area of triangle ABC is 36 square centimeters. We know the area of triangle formula, that is half BH is equal to 36 square centimeters, and also given height is 3 centimeters. We need to find base. Substitute these values in the above formula. We will get the value of base BC. It is base BC is equal to 24 centimeters. Okay. So this is the today's class, that is based on area of parallelogram and area of triangle. So these are the simple formula for formulas and problem. So you need to practice these type of problems. Okay, in next class we will discuss about circle, circumference of a circle, area of a circle. So up to then, keep practicing and practicing. And thank you for watching my channel, and also please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.